Despite advancements in manufacturing and materials, if you pass a dump truck, it still looks like it did 50 years ago. The same old box on a chassis. You may think you're getting a good deal by buying a cheap dump body, but that's like using a tire iron instead of an impact wrench. You just can't keep up. The impact wrench is faster and pays for itself with efficiency. So what's the resolution when it comes to dump trucks? The answer is the Fusion by Strong Industries, a heavy-duty dump body utilizing the latest in ultralight, super tough material, combined with robust state-of-the-art technology. Weighing in at 25% less than its rivals, the Fusion can haul more while handling the toughest abuse and then some. Let's look at a cost per ton comparison between a standard tandem versus a 6-axle Fusion. Factoring in fuel, labor, miles, and hours, let's say the average total cost per 100 deliveries is $8,500. The tandem payload is 13 tons times 100 equals 1,300 tons delivered at a cost of $8,500. That would be $6.54 per ton. But with the Fusion, payload is 22 tons times 100 equals 2,200 tons delivered. At a cost of $8,500, that is just $3.86 per ton. A remarkable 41% difference back in your pocket. For many companies, the difference in cost pays for the Fusion in 3 months or less, and imagine the profits thereafter. It could also mean a competitive advantage in bidding because it takes less trips to move the same amount of payload. Due to a better engineered body, the Fusion simply gives you more out of every load. Now combine that with the IntelliTruck fleet management software, and you are further improving efficiencies and enhancing management. And for a limited time, included with your Fusion order, the breakthrough Strongway onboard wireless scale. With pinpoint accuracy of over 99%, it enables you and your driver to verify weight at any time during pickup, delivery, and everywhere in between. An $8,000 value. Act now, and we will include our distribution indicator system that makes balancing your load a breeze. Combine these amazing technology tools with the Fusion body, and you've turned your truck into an elevated money-making machine. The Fusion by Strongway will change what you expect from a dump truck. To learn more, visit our website or give us a call.